Let's make kimchi 비빔국수. Place a pot, boil some water for the noodles, and while the water is boiling, we're gonna make the sauce with some kimchi. 1, 2, 3. So about 3 tablespoons. Actually, it looks like 5 tablespoons of kimchi. And then we add 1 tablespoon of gochujang, Korean chili paste. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. You can also use rice vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Everything is okay other than balsamic vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. You can also use maple syrup, sugar, any kind of sweetener of your choice. I will use this Korean sesame oil, but actually it is kind of difficult to get it. I'm using 1 tablespoon and some sesame seeds. So this is gochujang, Korean chili paste. It's super delicious, very useful, really a must ingredient for Korean food. So I encourage you to just buy it. It's not super spicy, it's a bit salty but very flavorful, so useful. Our water is boiling, so put some noodles. It has to cook for 3 minutes, so I'm gonna cook for 3 minutes. And I'm using this Korean knife cut noodle, the dried one, but you can also use like dried fine noodles. I love knife cut noodle, so good. And we're gonna rinse it with cold water, so I actually just decided to cook for like 5 minutes because it's gonna go into cold water. Let's get back to the sauce, and that was it. Just mix everything together. Well, it smells really delicious with kimchi and sesame oil mixed. We're gonna rinse the noodles with cold water. Cold water. You want to rinse it really thoroughly so that it will be really cold. Get rid of water. In a bowl, put that noodle. This is 1 portion. It looks a little bit much, but I'm hungry, so. And add the sauce and kimchi. Mix it well. It smells really delicious. It will taste really delicious. You can also add cucumber, carrot, or lettuce to add some crunchiness. But this is enough. It's so delicious. It's very summery food because it's cold noodle, and it's really refreshing. With the taste of fermented kimchi, it's super delicious.